In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this derivative of hyperbolic function using this Casio Fx-991 CW scientific calculator. So we have two questions to practice with in this video. So let's get started. The first question I have here says, given sine h in bracket 4x, find the y over the x. So these are hyperbolic functions. Now the very first thing to do, as usual, will be to reset the calculator to put it in default mode. So to reset this calculator, press the setting button. Okay, now you navigate down to reset, press execute, you go down to initialize or press execute again for yes. So the calculator is now reset. Let's go back, press AC button, or press execute button rather. The next thing you're going to do will be to ensure that the calculator is in radian. So by default it used to be in degrees, so when solving derivatives also always ensure that the calculator is in radian. So to put it in radian, press the setting button. Now you will see calculator settings, press execute, then navigate down to angle units, press execute. So you come down to radian, press execute. So the calculator now is now in radian. Alright, once you press execute button, let's go back. It's now in radian. If you check carefully, you see this capital letter R on top of the calculator. This shows radian. Okay, so we are good to go. The next thing will be to store a value used to differentiate the function and also use to evaluate the options to get our answer. So let's do this, guys. To store a value on this calculator, press this variable button. So we want to store our x as 2. That's the value I highly recommend. You can choose to practice with any other value, but I highly recommend 2. So let's go down to where we are going to see our x. Okay, so this is x. We want to store it as 2. You press 2, press execute. So x is now stored as 2. Let's go back, press AC button. Now we are good to go. Let's now get the d over dx function on this calculator. So to bring it out, so you press this catalog button, function analysis, derivative, execute. So we want to find the derivative of sine h in bracket 4x. To bring out the hyperbolic function on this calculator, you press this catalog button, then navigate down to where you see hyperbolic function. So here we have hyperbolic slash trigonometry. You press it, execute. So we're looking for sine h. That's the first option there. Then sine h in bracket 4x. To bring out x, press shift and this 0 button. One more thing, ensure that the brackets are balanced. If the brackets are not balanced, you end up having syntax error. So we have here now we have 2 brackets at the left, 1 on the right. To balance it, we add 1 more bracket. So we are good to go. The brackets are not balanced. So go to this place and put the 2 restored. So that's it. Let's press execute now to see the output of this function. So we have 5961.9. So right now we're going to simplify the options. Anyone that gives us this value, we basically the answer to the question 5961.9. So let's begin with option A. Let's go back, press AC button. So let's simplify option A. We have 8 cos h 4x. So press this catalog button, go to hyperbolic functions, Alright, so I'm looking for cos h 4x, close the bracket. So that's it. Let's press execute to see the output. No, we got 5,961. So let's go back and check option B. So the difference is, let's remove this 8 and put 4. So that's it for option B. Let's press execute now to see the output. Exactly, so the right option this question is option B. So 4 cos h in bracket 4x. So that's the answer to the question. So that's basically how you can solve hyperbolic functions using this Casio calculator for derivative aspects. Alright, so guys, let's solve one more question under this. Now you guys understand this better before we end this video. So before you solve question 2, if you are new to the channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. I really appreciate this, guys. Alright, so for question 2, it says find the derivative of cos h in bracket x to the power 3. So to find the derivative of this function, as usual, let's get the derivative symbol. So press this catalog button, function analysis, derivative, first option. So that's it. We have find the derivative of cos h in bracket x to the power 3. So you press this catalog button for hyperbolic functions, go down. Okay, so this hyperbolic function, this number 1, we have cos h x, so when I express shift and this 0 button to the power 3. So that's it. Ensure the brackets are balanced, guys. Here the number of brackets at the left, we have it to be 2, at the right we have 1, so we're going to add one more here to complete it, to balance it rather. So go to this place and put 2. So that's it. That's the question we have. They have the function. Let's press execute to see the output. So we have 17,885. Okay, so right now let's simplify the options. Anyone that gives us 17,885 will be the answer to this question. Let's go back. Let's begin with option A. So we have 3x, this shift and this 0 button, square. Alright, sine. Okay, that's hyperbolic function. Go to catalog, navigate down. Okay, so we have sine h x to the power 3, close the brackets. So that's it. Let's press execute now to see if we're going to have 17,885 thereabouts. So let's press execute button. Exactly. So this is the value we got when we've got the derivative of the function, 17,885. So guys, this is basically how you can solve problems involving hyperbolic functions using this Casio Fx-991 CW scientific calculator in seconds for multiple choice questions in calculus. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to the channel, once more, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. So don't forget to reset the calculator once you are done. To reset, just press this setting button, go to reset, yeah, press execute, initialize, or yes. So that's it. We are good to go. Now click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.